out here today. We're gonna launch out of here. I'll be on a different boat today with Andy, and it's warming up, and we're gonna see if the striper bite's on. Hopefully we can get 4 stripers in the boat today, and if we do good, then we'll fish tomorrow. All right, come on out. Good luck. All right, we're on the water, pulling off the dock here in a second, and then we'll be on our way. But as you can tell, it's a beautiful day out. All right, good luck. Incoming tide will be about 2 o'clock. Fish on.
Okay, wait.
Got a head shake.
Oh, had a hit right here. I tried, you want no shaking today. Hey, that's a good start.
Keeper. There you go. All right, one in the boat. Hold it up high. There you go.
No fish either.
No fish. We're trolling. Water's a little bit dirty. No wind, flat as can be, and not one boat in sight. Just past the power lines. Low tide. Not one bite.
You gotta see nothing from here to the bridge.
Yep. Beautiful day though. Sun's out. Nice and sunny. Fish on.
He's a keeper.
Yep.
That's what my pole was.
18 1/4. The 2 keepers and 1 small one so far. A little small 16-incher.
Just don't forget, you gotta give the captain a big tip when you catch a lot of fish.
The tip is don't cook the bacon without your shirt on.
I don't think this thing got off.
Oh, he just got off? That one got off. Got something on the line. A little tiny shaker. They'll probably boat flip that in, it's so small.
Let me take you off.
Those aren't pliers.
Yeah, true. Huh? Turn the ash to it.
Here's a little better. Well, man, the current is strong. All right, another keeper.
Another keeper. About time. Oh. Two different rods here.
You got that big old surf pole.
It's really a striper.
Keep going, keep going.
It might. 16. I'm hoping we
16-incher. Throw another one back.
Okay.
16 and a half. Another one.
That was the one Andrew caught.
shake. Third line keeper. Possibility.
17 and a half.
Yeah, 17 and a half.
17.
What's that, 5 shakers?
Yeah.
3 in the box. Another shaker. Just got off at the boat, about 2 feet away. Here's the small one. Here's the small one. 16 and a half.
What?
16 and a half.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your guess? 17 and a quarter. 6 shakers, 3 in the box. All right, we had 11 fish today in the boat. Only 3 keepers. Was outgoing tide all day long. Beautiful day, a little bit of a breeze at the end, but a lot of small fish. Come on out to the Delta. Good luck.